To troubleshoot an Absa Bank fixed deposit, start by understanding what a fixed deposit is. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account that provides a fixed interest rate for a specific period of time. If you are experiencing issues with your Absa Bank fixed deposit, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, check your account details to ensure that all information is correct and up to date. Verify your account number, deposit amount, and interest rate to confirm that everything is in order. If you find any discrepancies, contact Absa Bank customer service immediately to report the issue. Next, review the terms and conditions of your fixed deposit to understand the rules and regulations that govern your account. Check the maturity date, interest payment frequency, and any penalties associated with early withdrawal. This will help you identify any potential issues that may be causing problems with your account. If you are having trouble accessing your account or retrieving your account information, try logging in to your online banking profile or mobile banking app. If you are unable to log in, reset your password or contact Absa Bank customer service for assistance. Another common issue with fixed deposits is interest not being paid or credited to the account. Check your account statement to confirm that interest is being paid according to the agreed upon schedule. If interest is not being paid, contact Absa Bank customer service to investigate the issue. To avoid any issues with your fixed deposit, make sure to regularly review your account activity and monitor your account balance. Keep track of any changes to your account, such as interest rate changes or updates to the terms and conditions. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues with your Absa Bank fixed deposit, contact Absa Bank customer service for assistance. They will be able to provide you with personalized support and help resolve any problems you are experiencing. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Absa Bank fixed deposit and ensure that your account is running smoothly.